continue.
The hope I inspire.
You too, the way you are behaving. How do you inspire a generation in my way?
I inspire why might. Tigera inspire why. Kama erago ba inspire so kurama abantu na libero na nini shauri yake. But my people, I will try to inspire them. Aso kolegasi. My main work negasi. Ebintu byebitina na bintu binde inchina motigate. Nero no muiwa. Nene tu went kuruwani muiwa. Iko inchitin kumurwani. He is senior than me. He is ahead of me. It is only that I am senior because nimbuate kero jobo treasure. Lakini other things erno monene kombua. Wori chukura maragatatu. Agacha kwereria kane. Chino muntu na abori rimo. Nkaira lakini chonsi. Tukwa kira nyasaye mbiyamo. The most important thing. Tokole raba anto baitu. Pabogi tutu. Igasi. And as I've said. Nima ite pareye. Maybe it feels bad. Ese nginchu. E pareye atumekire miaka. Ange merongene. Abana siasa waweri bakulire pareye. Bono. Na harosi liye para. Na hasali liye chiro. Bono ondete yorai liye pareye. Because bono ya harosi. And I apologize to the people of Kitutu Church South. The road was under... I don't regret even if for
the sake of this discussion, so that we don't need to mislead. You are misleading our listeners. A pareye has been a work in progress. It is not your idea. You give credit where it's due.
Yes.
So it has only that it has been when you are a member of parliament.
So mundo chagete pareyu. Ngakia sagin mbani sagete.
Exactly.
Egasinya.
No, te jeto correct.
Te jeto correct egasinya. Ni ringo te egasinya. Ngakia unyonka de let. Neraga tem egasinya. Tugacha umugaka jim. Akanyichaki egakwama. Unyonka Richard. My very good friend, muntu bwate nkolengia, muntu ereru, tubwate mangana na muntu, nera kanyetema, egasinya. Inche ngacha, numungai ni bwane, within 2 years, epara ya akoliru. The good relationship, mbwate no murai bwense, and I want to take this time, como tebimbi yamono, President William Ruto, ese ngenjo, muitaga tebange pare iwe kekoro. Ninde budget over 2 billion. Yogo sukume pare.
Oranyoro muntu ngo ndarenge gusi. Kuri ne pigi ya moikere mayo. We lift mbaka Narok. Muntu ndamonyora mo lift ya moikinonye